Hello, welcome to our project. I'm Deniz and we are from Turkey.
Hi, I'm Jaylin.
And I'm Dirin.
Today we are on behalf of our social class in our school, Çakavay Schools. And in this class we solve some world issues and find new solutions. Our topic is a new method for plantation and rehabilitation in quarries. So, about Boswellian clay quarry, it's very rich in clay resorts, but this area severely lacks of biodiversity. The past works have tried different methods of plantation, however they sadly weren't successful due to the grazing activity of goats around the area. And in our club studies we decided that both vertical and horizontal plantation will be the most effective method to ensure succession due to the layered structure of the quarry field.
What is vertical gardening? Vertical gardening is a new perspective to a modern construction culture, and it has got some functions like aesthetical and visual values, also protection of buildings, habituating the climate change. It has got some positive effects like energy saving, oxygen producing, carbon emission, dust retention, and creating the agricultural area.
And what is our method? We plan to dig deep holes on the horizontal layers. We were looking for a plant which can grow naturally. We discovered that Mediterranean medicinal plants are growing naturally. They will be planted between the two layers of felt homogeneously. Lastly, the felt will be stabilized.
And as you can see, there are two sets of prototypes. This one is for the seeds and this one is for the seedlings. In this one, pockets must be in the rectangular size. But in this prototype, the pockets must be in the square size. And we decided to fill pockets with soil.
To irrigate each seedling, we are using a drip irrigation system. With this system, each seedling can access the water in a very easy way. And we are protecting the system from the grazing goat population with a razor wire barrier.
And preparation phases are, before starting to implement our plans, we've had preparation progress in which we visited the area for seeing the conditions with our counselors. And moreover, in order to test our plans, we did a model of the vertical gardening and implemented in the school. The vertical garden we designed was exhibited and observed for several weeks.
Implementation. Our school's technical team and supervisors went to Boswellian clay quarry for apply our project with necessary equipments. And the watering is the most important problem. Seed and seedlings irrigate with drop irrigation system by very big water tank, and they solve the problem.
In the 19th of May, we went to the area to see the planted pines and locusts adjusted to the environment and grow beautifully. At there, we realized that our razor wire that was established to protect the area from the grazing goats worked properly. They suggested to make small cuts on the felt with a snap blade knife to ensure that the germinated seeds could grow out of it. And we filled the big water tank that was placed for watering and watered the seedlings on the field.
Now I will share the updates with you. The first one is from June. Our seedlings kept on growing in Boswellian clay quarry, especially the seedlings and seeds we used in vertical gardening demonstrated successful growth and showed us that our methods fit perfectly to the quarry. And in July, we can see and observe that it's a very simple and efficient method to grow and develop plants with vertical gardening, especially in the upper side of the application area. Drip irrigation has let us know the conclusion was we desired.
And there are some differences between vertical and horizontal gardening, and you can see the completion of horizontal gardening. And we started to make this in February till August. And Derin will show you the success rates.
Finally, success rate of samplings in percentage. In the horizontal gardening, we have a success in 100%, and in vertical gardening, we lost so many Marubium vulgare, and Echinacea purpura has the highest percentage.
And this chart illustrates the amount and cost of the samplings.
And the aim is sharing our project with the young people and a variety of all age groups both inside and outside of the school. And we went to Sasala Primary School and we went also İzmir Wildlife Park.
As a result, our seeds and seedlings have grown and therefore proved that our application was successful. Our method is an innovative way to ensure that plant succession in rocky and infertile areas. We are happy to see new ideas all around the world about issues surrounding us through these kinds of projects and proud to represent our country the best way possible.